You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, oil pressure gauge, tachometer, adjustable pedals. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.